There was no two people made so perfectly for each other, and tonight is just going to be the best night ever.
There's no brother that I would ever want more in my entire life than Anthony.
When I first saw Grace in her dress, I had no words. I was literally bawling my eyes out.
Anthony is the ultimate guy. I love him. He's my son now.
So when Grace was walking down the aisle, all I could think about, we've been planning this day since she was old enough to know what it is to be married. And here it finally is, coming to fruition, marrying the man of her dreams. It was like a dream come true.
I love the relationship the two have, and I hope they take a step back after today and really appreciate what they have, because it's rare.
We're so excited about the first dance because Grace doesn't even know what they're dancing to. Anthony picked it himself. Yeah. And if it's anything like the serenade, it'll blow our minds and take our breath away. Tommy Bradley.
Tommy Bradley.
He did not lie to you.
There's not
alive.
There is not one person who's going to beat him.
Tommy Bradley will be the drunkest tonight.
There's a 0% chance that anyone else in here is gonna get more drunker than I am.